Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change default settings in Adobe Acrobat. So firstly, go to Adobe Acrobat. Then you have to go to this edit option, which is top right, top left corner. Now you have to choose preferences. Now you have to choose here page display, this option. Now you can see here the page layout, which should be automatic, and the zoom should be 100%. Choose this 100%, and you can see the resolution, which is click on this use system setting, and on this custom resolution, click on this and make it 200%. Okay, now scroll down and you'll find here use local fonts, and all should be ticked. Okay, all should be ticked, and you have to just click on this OK, and you are all done. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.